Another day out in Cornwall. What the heck is this? Investigation time. Alright, I found it. This is awesome. There's so much structure here. I wonder if I can get inside this thing. Is there a hole under there? Wow, there's a ladder. Wow. Across the way from that one, there's another one right here. Look, there are loads. Wow, that is a chimney, completely covered in ivy. I don't want to say wow too many times, otherwise I'll sound like Owen Wilson. Both of them are absolutely covered in ivy. So look on the inside. It's so gorgeous out here. This looks like an engine house. Wow. Look at this archway.